Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday evening, the 24th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays quiet through at least the beginning of the Thanksgiving weekend with a warming trend. Let's go in there and check things out. Water vapor satellite view. Got some high clouds coming in with that zonal flow. Big storm back in the Pacific Northwest. And around here we have filtered sunshine today. That was a look at the sky over Calhoun County. Looks like a partial solar halo there. Over Birmingham today, some alto cumulus clouds. Have a funny feeling going to have a great sunset later this evening, about 4:45. Temperatures have rebounded nicely. We started off the day mostly in the upper 20s and low 30s. We have readings between 57 and 60 for most spots. One of the warm spots, Fort Payne, they've got 61. Typically, they're one of the coldest spots in the morning. Of course, that means the air is very dry. If you are traveling, take a look at the numbers around the nation. Generally speaking, things are turning warmer. The snow is melting over the Midwest and the Great Lakes. But it's going to turn colder back in the Northwest United States with that big trough there. And they're going to see a lot of snow. Winter storm warnings for a lot of the states there, parts of Montana, Oregon, Idaho, on down to the south into California, the Sierra Nevadas. Winter weather advisories into Wyoming. So, and that's going to be our main problem spot if you're traveling tomorrow. The eastern half of the nation is in good shape. How about the rain for the next 5 days? How about some huge numbers? Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, the bullseye 8 inches there. This is valid through Sunday evening. And a lot of that has to do with moisture from a tropical system in the eastern Pacific, as you'll see. But where we are, not much at all. In fact, to get the idea, we'll be dry through Saturday. Sunday, maybe a few showers, but even Sunday's event, probably not a big deal. Yeah, this is that eastern Pacific tropical storm, Sandra, that will probably become a big hurricane here soon. This thing is going to come towards the north, gaining strength. And it will weaken quickly as it approaches land over the weekend. But again, that moisture is headed right up into Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. We all know that those eastern Pacific systems like that can produce a lot of flash flooding problems, ultimately inland into the United States. Let's walk you through this thing day by day. What do you say? This is tomorrow at 12 noon at 500 millibars. Big upper trough, upper low in the western states. Kind of a flat ridge around here, and the day should be dry. The sky partly sunny and a high tomorrow in the low 60s. And again, for travelers, you'll be in great shape tomorrow from Birmingham to New York City and Boston. Atlanta looks fine. The airport, no airport issues. Chicago looks fine. The big problems in the Northwest with the mountain snow. Thanksgiving Day. Showers break out along a cold front from Texas to Michigan. Back in the colder air, snow falls immediately behind the front with a 1041 high pressing down. But for us on Thanksgiving Day, dry and mild. Mid to upper 60s are likely. In fact, the GFS is printing a high of 68 early Thursday afternoon. We start the day around 50, so very comfortable. Friday, Black Friday. Looks like a nasty ice snow situation for the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma. Very windy in Denver. Wow. And again, rain from Texas to the Great Lakes, the eastern Great Lakes. But for us, we're still dry. And the high should be around 70. Wow. Iron Bowl Saturday. We're still looking to be in good shape. Partly sunny. The GFS is spitting out a high of 72 for Birmingham. It's going to be a very comfortable afternoon. You're not going to need to bundle up for the game this year. We've had years with ice and sleet and everything else, but 72 sounds pretty good. No rain at Auburn. Rain stays west of the state. Sunday, this is when people are traveling back home. Some showers could move into North Alabama Sunday. We'll mention that possibility, but more than likely it's not a big deal. Some snow lingers in the mountainous west, but we don't see any severe weather, or at least severe thunderstorm problems there. And then Monday, we all go back to work. Maybe a few showers, but goodness, that doesn't look very wet. We'll mention a chance of showers, but obviously not a big deal. Snow for parts of the high plains. And a week from today, Tuesday, December 1st, the beginning of meteorological winter. Upper low well to the north. Again, a front passes through with a chance of showers, but rain amounts with that feature should be light and spotty. We'll check the end of next week. This is Friday, December 4th. Got a trough just west of the state. If by chance that is right, that would be fairly wet, but no severe weather. Temperatures for the next 15 days off the ensemble, you can see 60s through the weekend. And then as we get into December, highs go back in the 50s, lows around 40, but nothing harshly cold for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the TV side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.